Just a quick little broadcast here. I decided to go out and grab the subs that I had in the van so I could get some lunch. And I walked over right below the office space co-working facility and found this nice little waterfall on the Cuyahoga River. A neat little place. I wonder if they do concerts here or not. This would not be a bad little place to have meetings, though, in the summer. Just kind of get-togethers. Anyway, I just thought I would share the waterfall with you. Another nice snowy day in Ohio. Ohio flag up there, if you're not familiar with it. And even if you are familiar with it. Now, I was planning on just going out and grabbing my gloves, or grabbing my sandwich. I should have taken my gloves with me, because it is cold. So, anyway, this is what the day's like. Hello, Mr. Viewer, or Miss Viewer. Unfortunately, this Android version of the Ustream app does not seem to show when you're talking to me unless it's on the social stream, so I may not be able to see it if you're chatting with me. I need to figure that out. So, anyway, I'm going to see how many times I can say "so anyway" in this broadcast. It's just a pretty little section when the lights are all lit up. Well, that's just my quick broadcast. Hope you enjoyed the waterfall. Watch from the beginning if you missed it. Goodbye, all.